Are you ready to revolutionize the way you communicate with your audience? Meet Bhuman.ai, the game changer in personalized video communication. They are also a leading video AI tool in the market. Now imagine turning one video into hundreds of personalized messages in minutes. That's just the power of AI Studio, one of the features of Bhuman.ai. But that's not all. With Persona, another feature of Bhuman.ai, you can create a digital clone that mirrors your voice and appearance. It can engage with video chats with your audience, creating a seamless connection. Here is a game changer called LeadR, another feature of Bhuman.ai. With LeadR, you can supercharge your LinkedIn outreach strategy. With LeadR, you can send personalized AI videos to your LinkedIn connection, even to the prospects that you are not connected with. Whether you are in sales, marketing, healthcare, e-commerce, or any industry, Bhuman.ai is here to amplify your communication game. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all those important features that is going to make you confident enough to get started with Bhuman.ai. Let's get to the laptop screen.
To get started, visit behuman.ai. Now, once you are here, you will see that there are four features that we already talk about: AI Studio, Leader, Persona, and Playground. We'll see all of them in depth. Let's dive into AI Studio. Now, you already know that AI Studio helps you transform your one video into countless personalized messages for your audience. It's like having one-on-one conversation with your viewer or with every viewer. Let's dive in. So this is how the Be Human dashboard looks like. You can see the three tools that we previously talked about: AI Studio, Persona, and Leader. We will see them later, the remaining two. Now let's launch AI Studio. Once you launch the AI Studio, you will see on the right hand side this is where you create a base video that will be personalized by Be Human. So you create your own AI template based on the script that you want to send to your audience, right? And here you on the main screen you are seeing two options actually: reach out to your prospect and reignite stale leads. Now what are those? So suppose you want to quickly launch a campaign in 5 minutes and you want to send a simple message to your audience or prospects using the pre-made template already available. And here reignite stale leads means you want to follow up with your leads and see if they are still interested in your service or product. So let me show you quickly how it looks like. So once I launch the campaign, you'll see that I told you that these are the two templates. One is also in another language if you want, and this is one is English. So yeah, so and in reignite sales, stale leads, again you can see that if you want to reach out to people and check if they're still interested in your product, you can do that. Or if you want to check in if they have seen your email video campaign or not, you can use this template, right? And this is just a quick way. But to properly set up your video campaign and also record your own video template, you need to go here. As you can see, there is three options: my videos, community, and hire an actor. As the name suggests, my videos is where you can create your own videos and assess your past videos that you have created. Communities, you can choose the templates that are already available and made available to you by the community based on different tags like lead generation, customer success, etc. You can choose that. Hire an actor, again, if you want a real actor and you can reach out to Be Human team and they can help you hiring an actor. So let's start with my videos. Here we will create a new video. You can see these are my past videos that I already created. So let's try and create new video.
Now you start by quickly typing your name of the template. I'm going to lead B2B leads because I'm selling B2B leads to my clients. But you can type in anything that you are looking to set the email campaign for. Now there are two options. Either you can select a recording or video template that is already available in your PC, or you can choose the first option. Now in the first option, there is again two options: easy mode and advanced mode. Easy mode is basically you will get to use only one variable, such as first name of the person. You can change, personalize the first name of the person. For example, hi John, hi Mary. That's the one variable you are using, right? First name. So easy mode is for that. But if you want to use multiple variables like first name of the person, you need to personalize the company name. When you say hi John, I know XYZ is the company name of the person. So you're personalizing that. You need to use multiple variables to personalize that. Then you can use advanced mode. Let's try with the easy mode. There are other languages you can check that you want to try for your video template. I'm going to click here. Now, if you want, you can use AI script generation to create a script for you, or you can skip these steps. Suppose I am a digital marketer trying to sell B2B leads to small owners. But I will keep the script of only 50 words. But you do not need to type this. I just want small script for this demo. But if you want, you can try the original script, or you can just write this one and it will generate a script for you. You can also include a call to action. Get free leads. I use my call to action, but your call to action could be different, right? It could be like book a meeting with me. get on a call, sign up for this, etc. So just click on generate new script. So as you can see that the script is given to me by the AI generator. So here you will speak your name, right? This is not a variable, right? This you need to speak entirely, and you need to replace this with your name, right? So there are multiple scripts provided to me. You need to check the one that you like and select it. So as you can see in the instructions that you need to wait 1 second after you start your recording, and then you once you hear the beep voice, you will start reading the script without saying hi first name. That means you do not need to say your variable, right? Hi John. You do not need to do that. All you have to do is start reading the script like it's Vaibhav, my name, a digital, and this is not your variable, as I already told you. The variable will be automatically generated by the AI script. So when you start recording, just give 1 second, keep your head still. So keep your head still so the AI will automatically use that movement of 1 second to generate your variable, personalized variable, and the screen will turn green as you are seeing the frame has red, and then you start quickly reading the script. Some things to keep in mind is like keep distance between the screen and you. The natural lighting should be more. As the lighting is not more, the output might not be great for this particular video, but be more natural, right? Keep the distance. Use a great quality video recorder or a great quality, I would say, webcam. So video resolution should be good. And another things are like, yeah, keep still variable. Use short sentences for variable like hi first name. Your variable should not be long enough, right? Should be short. Yeah, so that's it. So how do you start? So keep some distance. Press the recording button. Keep wait 1 minute, and you will see the green 1 second, and you will see the green screen, and then you will start. It's Vaibhav, a digital marketer who understands the challenges business owners face when it comes to finding quality B2B leads. So once you are done, once you are done reading the script, all you have to do is check if you like the quality, and if you like, then you can just save it and upload it. Now since I'm using the mic, the voice quality is not going to get here in the template that I'm using, but this is the procedure that you need to follow, right? So once the upload is finished, all you need to do is click on finish button. Now from here you can just either create a campaign and then send this video using your leads, or you can just preview sample, type in a variable that you want to personalize for just taking the sample and generate a sample from here. So it will just quickly generate a sample. You can see John. So it's quickly generating a video for you that you can check if the quality is matching with of the video, and it's properly customized or properly personalized or not by the AI tool. If it is not, then you can always go back and shoot the video again. So I'm just going to create a new campaign now. So let's give the campaign name B2B Outreach. I'm just going to choose any industry I want. I'll choose software, use case, upsell customers. I'm just going to create a campaign now. So here you can see that now there are some options like you need to import your leads, right? That you want to sell, that you want to send. You can also use Happier to integrate with your CRM and input that data. You can use the LeadR tool to send these video campaign to your LinkedIn connections right now. And let me explain some of the options here. Map your column header. So once you import your data, you will see the options. Basically you need to map your variable that you want to personalize. Enable voice cloning. You can either record the first name like hi John, hi. So all these words that you can either record manually here going through each of your leads, or you can just enable voice cloning, so you do not need to record anything and automatically. So first step is let me just import a data, right? Let me import sample leads. So these are my sample leads. You can see important columns like email, first name, company is included over here. So I'm just going to download it as CSV file. And once the download is complete, I will just go to CSV, go to the download option, and just import my leads. So as you can see, the leads are imported properly. Now here, map your column headers to video variables. So what is my variable? It's my first name, right? So I'm just going to choose this. Now when I was talking about record voice manually, that means I need to go to each of this name, right? Vaibhav, Melissa, Christopher, Jefferson, and record my own voice. So that is going to get reflected in the AI personalized video. Now, background mode is basically what? So background is basically, let me show you one example right here.
Okay, so let's see this. It is recorded by the founder itself. So as you can see that, the website was of the client was in the background and the person was speaking, right? So that's the background mode. So you can use profile, LinkedIn profile of your prospect, their website screenshot, their website, or any image, personalized image of that prospect or client, or even in video, right? So you can also here you can also note like from what time the background should start running and till what time, right? So you can choose that. And yeah, so you can also show the background throughout the video if you want. So that's how the background looks like. Now I'm going to start. I'm going to I'm going to I already created the video, by the way. You can see already the videos are generated for me. That's why the option was of share. But if it was not generated before, it would have been generate videos. So videos are generated. As you can see, all the videos for all my clients or prospects are now generated. You can now send the email videos via email, SMS. You can download the CSV file and use some other tool to send the videos, or you can also use LeadR, which is their own tool of BHuman, to send the mass videos via LinkedIn. Okay, so now to send the emails, we'll try sending the email, but you have other options that you can check. Now you have to select the email that from which all your video campaigns will go through. Now you have to select the column of your spreadsheet where the emails are located. Now here, these are the variables that you can add in your subject line. Like first, hi, I want first name of the person. Hi, check this out. You can personalize with other variables that you want. In the body, you can write your email message, email copy basically. Hello, the first name of the person. No, let me just delete this one. Did did you take this video made for you? And a body tag must include a video tag, obviously, because if the video tag is not there, your personalized video won't go right. So just include this. And yeah, that's the basic copy I'm just showing you, but you are free to customize according to your rate. And you can just click on this, or you can also send a sample email if you'd like to. So as you can see, the emails are now being sent. Now, one thing we can do is another thing is we can also use the landing page. Now, if you just want to quickly use their inbuilt template builder, then you can use it. You can just drag and drop and create a nice looking, email body just like that. Take this video, leads. So yeah, you can just create an email template and just create and send the email like this as well, right? So that's how you do it. As you can see, our emails are now being sent 100%. Let me show you how the emails are received in the inbox. All the emails here were of mine, so that's not an issue. So just let me show you how it looks like. So this is how the emails I got. Hi Christopher, check this out. Did you check this video for you? So yeah, this is how it looks like, right? And it's great. It's personalized, right? Okay, so now to send the emails, we'll try sending the email, but you have other options that you can check. Now you have to select the email that from which all your video campaigns will go through. Now you have to select the column of your spreadsheet where the emails are located. Now here, these are the variables that you can add in your subject line. Like first, hi, I want first name of the person. Hi, check this out. You can personalize with other variables that you want. In the body, you can write your email message, email copy basically. Hello, the first name of the person. No, let me just delete this one. Did did you take this video made for you? And a body tag must include a video tag, obviously, because if the video tag is not there, your personalized video won't go right. So just include this. And yeah, that's the basic copy I'm just showing you, but you are free to customize according to your rate. And you can just click on this, or you can also send a sample email if you'd like to. So as you can see, the emails are now being sent. Now, one thing we can do is another thing is we can also use the landing page. Now, if you just want to quickly use their inbuilt template builder, then you can use it. You can just drag and drop and create a nice looking, email body just like that. Take this video, leads. So yeah, you can just create an email template and just create and send the email like this as well, right? So that's how you do it. As you can see, our emails are now being sent 100%. Let me show you how the emails are received in the inbox. All the emails here were of mine, so that's not an issue. So just let me show you how it looks like. So this is how the emails I got. Hi Christopher, check this out. did you check this video for you? So yeah, this is how it looks like, right? And it's great. It's personalized, right?
So now let us see the other feature of Bhuman.ai, that is LeadR. Now you already know what is LeadR, right? So LeadR is basically allows you to send personalized videos to your favorite connections or using a search result. So let's launch this. So let's create new campaign. So first step is give your campaign a name, B2B Leads Outreach. That's my campaign name. Yours would be different. Now there are two ways to select the campaign type. So either you can paste the LinkedIn search URL or you can upload a list of LinkedIn profiles that you want to reach out to, right? So if you want to put the search URL, all you have to do is search some term and just copy the search result link and just paste over here, right? So that's how the search URL works. Or you can upload your URL. Now here you need to select LinkedIn account. So basically you do need to enter your password and email ID. So don't worry, it's pretty safe. So once that is done, I already done it, so that's not there. Now you need to select what type of video do you want to send. So again, we are reached to the first interface that we choose or that we saw. There are three things like my videos, community, and hire an action. So I will select the already made video that I have made before. So let's select this for sample purpose. So video template is selected. Now you need to map your column headers to variables. So first name is the variables that we are looking to personalize, right? If first name is not there, then what value would be used by the actor? So that is just that, but don't worry about that. The first name is very important. So let's move to the next thing. How many invites do you want to send per day? That means how many messages you want to send per day, that means how many number of profiles you want to reach out per day, right? And if you are, suppose you are not connected with the people that you are sending video, then you also can send connection request to them, right? If you want to include background mode, then you can do that. We already talked about what is background mode before. Now, at what time the campaign should go, that's where you come over here and select the time. The next step is again personalize your message, right? So what type of message you want to send to the people, right? Hello, first name. These are just you just type in all the messages, right? I'm just showing for the demo purpose. So just go to the next step. So our campaign is set up. Just review it once that all the things are properly set up, and all you have to do is start the campaign, and it will go, right? That's what the use of LeadR is, right? You can either use LeadR when you are in the AI studio, where you can send your personalized message from there, and also you can individually try the LeadR and create your own campaign and send the personalized video message, right? Yeah, that's it. Let's start the campaign.
Okay guys, so that was all about Bhuman.ai tool. I covered two main features of Bhuman.ai. One was AI Studio and another was LeadR tool. Now I am planning to cover Persona in my coming videos. If you have any queries related to the features that I covered, do comment down below. I'll make sure I will solve all your queries. If you want personal onboarding, again you can reach out to me as well as the Bhuman.ai team. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.